Hey guys, we just finished installing 1,900 square feet of frost window film on this Gold Puff location here in Houston, Texas. We're so excited to share this with you. Let's go inside and go check it out. My name is Joe with Dark Shade Window Tint, and right now I'm inside Gold Puff's warehouse location here in Houston, Texas. And I just quickly wanted to go over what we did on this project and talk a little bit more about the benefits of frost window film for your home or your business windows. So to give you an idea, we installed white frost window film on the entire warehouse and even the front entrance. The reason we did that is to provide 100% privacy during the daytime and also at nighttime. You know, there's a lot of films out there that during the daytime they provide that privacy, but unfortunately at night when the lights are on, you can see inside. So in this case, they have a lot of computers, a lot of merchandise, so they needed to have privacy all the time. And guess what? Even though the window is covered, it's still gonna let in all the natural light during the daytime. So that's why they decided to go with frost window film. So to give you an idea to see if frost window film is something that may help solve your issues with your windows, if you're looking for something that's going to provide 100% privacy day or night, or you're looking to add a little bit more of a stylish, modern look to your windows, whether it's for your home windows or for your business windows, this film is a very, very great cost-effective film to get that done. So hopefully we answered any questions or any ideas that maybe you're looking at when it comes to getting frost window film for your home windows or for your business windows. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll be happy to help, or we could send free samples your way. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one.